Hello, I am Gary Parker, your math teacher this quarter for Math and Society Math 105, and I just wanted to show you a couple things of the course and hope to see you in class soon. Let's check it out. All right, so course homepage, here is the Zoom link for those of you who are signed up for the Zoom section, the Hermiston section. I hope you will attend class in Hermiston if you're in the Hermiston section, so you'll have some other people to work with. I have a few people in Pendleton working with me, and then there's the people doing it live through Zoom. So we have 3 different groups taking the class together. Again, if you're not in Pendleton, here's the Zoom link. If you can't get to Pendleton, we're in Evergreen Hall 101, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 8:30. There's a little welcome here, which has this video and some other stuff. The textbook, which is online, is located here. Also, the textbook can be found in each section under the reading assignment. So every week you can have a reading assignment. We'll go over the reading in class together, but I expect you to read it on your own. Here's a link to the book. For example, this week, week 1, we're going to do problem solving. So in class, I'll go over the main topics, and then I'll go over a bunch of the homework exercises with you, and we'll practice for the skills quiz together, which you'll then take on your own after class. And then there's the written assignment, which we'll work on together in class also. And each week's pretty much the same. I go over the reading with you. You do some reading outside, and you do the reading assignment. You work on the exercises outside and in class. You work on the skills quiz outside of class. You work on the written assignment in class and out of class. And every week we pick up a new topic and do the same thing. So next week, the second week is going to be logic, learning outcomes, the main ideas we're going to do, reading assignment. There's some videos in case you need more help, but often the problems have videos with them. So if you jump into the exercises, and yes, I haven't published the course yet, but I will in a minute. Let's go back. So that'll work when you go there. But a lot of the homework problems have videos attached to them, as you might have seen in previous courses. This is a great class. It's my favorite class to teach. We don't do much algebra. We play around with stuff that's more useful. So the problem solving stuff are common kinds of math things you need in your regular life. We learn a little about the basics of logic and logical arguments. Everything changes around us. So we're going to take a look at some growth models, mathematically speaking, finance, home loans, auto loans, things like that, savings accounts. And there'll be a midterm exam. Then we learn a little about statistics, which we hear a lot about in the news. They affect our life regularly. Play around with probability because there's so much chance going on in life. How voting works. And then graph theory is like, say you're the UPS guy and you got to get to all these houses. What's the best way to get to the houses without driving around the same place more than once? So like efficient routes is what graph theory is all about, which is kind of cool. And then we have the final review in week 10 and then the final exam after that. It's an awesome, fun course, and I'm looking forward to working with you. I'll see you in class soon. Adios.